What happens when your pension pays the bills but not your life? Food prices rise, medical costs rise, and fuel rises, but your retirement income stays exactly the same. Hi, I'm Paul, and for millions of retirees, retirement is starting to feel less like freedom and more like survival. If you've had to choose between groceries, medication, or putting fuel in your car, this video is for you. Nobody talks about this before retirement. They tell you to save, they tell you to invest, they tell you your pension will be enough. But what they don't tell you is how fast inflation destroys purchasing power. The same money that covered your lifestyle 5 years ago now barely scratches through the month. And many retirees are quietly going backwards financially while pretending everything is okay. That stress changes everything. You stop traveling, you stop enjoying life, you delay medical appointments, you begin surviving instead of living. But something important is happening right now. More retirees are discovering ways to earn online from home using affiliate marketing and digital marketing. No complicated business, not scams, not MLMs. Simple online systems that allow ordinary people to create supplemental retirement income from a laptop or a phone. Affiliate marketing simply means recommending products or services online and earning commissions when somebody buys through your link. That's it. No inventory, no shipping, no employees, and no commuting. And the reason retirees are succeeding with this is because life experiences really matter. People trust honesty, people trust authenticity, and people trust real people. You don't need to become a social media influencer. Many people start with only 1 to 3 hours a day. And today there are done-for-you systems that help beginners with the setup, automation, training, and support. That means you don't need to be tech savvy to begin. That is why searches for work from home for retirees, retirement side hustles, how to make money online, affiliate marketing for beginners, online income from home are exploding right now. And this is because retirees are looking for security again. Retirement should not feel like financial panic every single month. You worked too hard for that. The goal is peace of mind. A little extra income can mean less stress, more freedom, and finally sleeping at night again. If you want to learn how retirees are building flexible online income streams from home, type help in the comments or follow the link in my bio, because retirement shouldn't feel uncertain.